Good day, my wonderful students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying yourself and I hope you are practicing all your safety measures. All right, I am here again to take you on the week 6 topic. Yes, our week 6 topic titled Color Scheme. SS1 students, are you with me? I hope you are there with me. All right, don't be tired. Do you understand? All right, our week 6 topic today is titled Color Scheme. We will actually look at the colors and how they are being formed or how they are being produced. Is that taken? All right, our topic today is color scheme, as I told you. All right, color scheme. At the end of this lesson, I want each and every one of you to know the definition of color scheme, state the primary colors and secondary colors. Is that taken? And I want you to mention the tertiary colors as well. And you'll be able to draw the diagram of color harmony. Do you understand? I believe you know that when you understand something, that's when you'll be able to draw it. Don't worry, I'm going to put you through. Is that clear? Is that clear? Now, definition. Color can be used singly, but two or more colors can be combined to produce a color harmony or color scheme. You can call it a color harmony or color scheme. I come again. Color can be used singly, but two or more colors can be combined to produce a color harmony or color scheme. Now, to obtain a beautiful harmony, the correct colors and intensities should be combined. Now, let's be moving forward. I will explain further on this. If you want to get this color, this red color that I'm putting on now, you will have to put mixed, though red is one of our primary color. But let's say I'm putting on another color. You want to get that color, you have to mix the color that you're supposed to mix in order to get the accurate color you wish to get. Is that taken? All right, let's quickly look at the color wheel. This is the picture of my color wheel. You can see in my color wheel here, I have yellow. I have yellow orange. That means this yellow is not pure yellow. It's still in the family of yellow, but yellow orange. I have orange itself now. I have red orange. Do you understand? I have red orange. I have red itself. I have red violet. I have violet itself. I have blue violet. I have blue itself. Blue green. We have green. We have yellow green. That is what we call color wheel. Color wheel. Because as this color, okay, let's say, take for instance, if you have this red color, and you add it small black, it will give you another shade of color. It might be black, you might choose to add black or white. It will give you another shade of color. Are you getting? Or you can add gray. It will give you another shade of color. Is that taken? All right. You have seen my color wheel, where all the colors are. And this is where it comes out very well. It's still, this is the picture of color wheel as well. All right. Let us move forward. We have types of colors. We have primary color. These are red, yellow, and blue. Red, yellow, and blue. Yes, they are placed at equal distance or equidistant on a color wheel. Do you understand? Just equal distance on a color wheel. Look at the picture of primary color. We have your red, yellow, and blue. Are you getting it? They are at the equal distance in the color wheel. Okay, let's quickly go back to the color wheel again. I have my red, my yellow, and my blue. Are you getting it? Let us see. Let us count. 1, 2, 3. You have your red. 1, 2, 3. You have your blue. 1, 2, 3. You have your yellow. That is what I meant by they are placed at the equal distance on the color wheel. That is primary color. Are you with me? All right. Let me go straight to the secondary color. These are orange, green, purple, or violet. They are obtained by mixing equal parts of the primaries as shown below. This is the example below. You can see you can mix red and yellow, you get orange. If you mix yellow and blue, you will get green. If you mix blue and red, you get purple or violet. Oh yeah, let's go back to the color wheel. Remember we say the first one we are to mix is red and yellow to get orange. Okay, let us trace it. Red and yellow to get orange. Can you see it? All right, let's go back to the second one. Yellow and blue, you get green. Are you getting? Let me go back. Yellow and green, you get what? Look at it again. Yellow and blue, you get green. Now look at it. And yellow and blue, you get green. Yellow and green, you get blue. Yellow and green, you get blue. Are you getting? Now, look at the last one. Blue and red, you get purple. Blue, this is my blue, and red, you get purple or violet. Are you getting it? That is how we get our secondary color. Are you with me? Yes. All right. If you are with me, just keep note of what I am telling you. I said in the yellow, in the secondary color, you mix red and yellow to get your orange, yellow and blue to get your green, blue and red to get your purple or violet. Now, I've showed you how it's been mixed in the color wheel. Now, let's quickly go to the example of the secondary color. This is my yellow, this is my purple, and this is my green. Okay, look at the results. Orange, green, and purple or violet. These are the three examples. Orange, purple, and green. These are the examples of the secondary colors. Now, let's quickly go to the tertiary color. Tertiary or intermediate colors. These are 6 intermediate or tertiary colors. Intermediate colors include red to violet, blue to violet, blue to green, yellow to green, yellow to orange, and red to orange. That is, it has many colors in it. Red plus violet, you get red violet. Red plus orange, you get red orange. Yellow plus orange, you get yellow orange. Now, these are the more examples of tertiary colors. Are you getting it? This color, red plus orange, you get red orange. Red plus violet, you get red purple. Like that. Do you get? That is how it is being mixed. Are you with me? Now, I want to quickly show you the diagram. I want to quickly share with you the diagram of this Diagram of color harmonies. Can you see this diagram? The diagram just stated color harmonies. In the color harmonies in my left hand side, I have related harmonies. Under related harmonies, I have monochromatic harmony, analogous color harmony, accented neutral color harmony. Then by my right hand side, I have contrasting harmonies. Under contrasting harmony, I have complementary harmonies. The second one I have is split complementary harmonies. The third one is triad harmony. Are you getting it now? Can you see it very well? All right. That is the diagram of color harmony. Okay, let's quickly go back to our lesson. As you have seen the diagram of color harmonies. Now, look at the related. I want to explain this diagram of color harmonies. Already is in your notes. It's just left for you to go online and copy the notes so that you will get what I'm saying very clearly. Related harmonies. I have monochromatic color harmony. This is the simplest common color scheme. It makes use of variations of value of the same color. Now, take for instance, as I said earlier, if you want to get monochromatic color, you have to, this red is either you add black, you get another one. You can see, look at this picture here. This is red. When added white, maybe you get this peach. Added black, you get wine, and so on and so on. You will keep getting different shade of red as you are adding other colors to it. Is that taking? All right. Now let's go down to analogous or adjacent harmony. This is obtained by combining colors like line next or adjacent to each other on the color wheel. Example, yellow and yellow, yellow and oranges, and blues and greens. Okay, can you see? Can you see? I want you to fix your eyes on this black chain here. This black chain, follow my cursor. This black chain here. It is obtained by combining colors that lies next or adjacent to each other. You can see blue, green, and light green. I can decide to use yellow, orange, and light yellow. Are you getting it? So, or blue, light blue, and violet. That is colors that lies next to each other. That is analogous or adjacent harmony. Are you following me? All right, let's quickly go down to the next one, which is accented neutral harmony. This uses a color triangle. In the colors triangle, the colors in a straight line form pleasing combinations. For example, a pure color like red harmonizes the following. It tints and white. Can you imagine? See this one now, this is red. If you tint it with white, it will give you another color. This is your tint color or gray color. Are you getting it? It shades and black. Are you getting it? You can use black, you get another shade. It tones and gray. You can use your gray and get another color. Look at this green. You find out that in this green, this is another green. This is another one. This is another one that looks like blue. Are you getting? That is accented neutral harmony. Are you following me? So you tint it with black, white, or gray. These are the colors you can use to tint any sharp color, any primary color, to get your accented neutral harmony. Are you with me? All right, let us be moving forward as we look at contrasting harmony. That is the diagram at the right hand of the diagram. If you look at your notes, this combines colors that lie opposite one another on the color wheel, like yellow and violet, purple. Can you see? Yellow and violet, purple. Look at it. Yellow and violet, purple. But here, the example I showed you is yellow and red and green. Opposite. The color that is directly opposite one another. You can see that red is opposite green and yellow is opposite violet, purple. Are you following? White orange is opposite light blue. This is called contrasting. Under contrasting harmony, it's called complementary harmony. Complementary harmonies. Are you getting it? That is what it meant. Now, we have split complementary harmonies. To create a split complementary harmony with yellow, for instance, first find its true complement, which are violet or purple. Then take the colors on each side of violet. That is blue, violet, or red. Now I use this example in this wheel, like this violet, this orange. You do what? You get your green. That is split complementary harmonies. Now, if you want to find the harmony of yellow, for instance, you first find its true color. This is harmony of yellow. How do you find the first true complementary this thing? You have to look for this is my yellow, you count, and this is purple, you count 5. This is purple. This is where this one will be. Is that taken? My arrow here is on yellow. This is my purple here, and another one is blue. Are you getting? You find that is your split complementary harmonies. I want you to study these diagrams more at the end of this class for better understanding. Now let us go to triad harmony. This combines 3 colors that lie equally distant from each other. Equally what? Distant from each other on the color wheel. E.g., primary colors red, yellow, and blue, and orange, green, and violet. Can you see? You can see my primary color green. You can see one of the secondary color and tertiary colors. I hope you are with me. So if you study the diagram very well, you will understand it the more. All right. With this, I believe you enjoy this color harmony. You will be able to know how to be combining your clothes, your outfits when you want to dress up. It is not when you want to dress up, you wear pink on top orange, or orange on top, you mess up your color. When you know your color harmony very well, you will be able to know how to dress up, how to arrange your home, and how to put your home in an interesting form. Do you understand? Remember, color gives a warm welcoming to anybody that enters the apartment. Is that taken? So with this, I'm bringing it to the end of this class. I believe you enjoy yourself, and wait for me again in our next class, and make sure you always go online for your notes, comprehensive notes of this topic. SS1 student, I hope you are with me. Get your comprehensive note of this topic, copy them, and with these examples I've given you in this slide, please use them and study them. You will get them perfectly correct. Is that taken? All right. Now, I will wish to see you again in our next class. Bye for now. Still remain your home management teacher, Mrs. Oduma Vivian. See you in my next class. All right.